In this video, I'm going to show you how to supercharge your client interactions with SpeedToLead's live chat widget. From powerful customizations to advanced settings, we'll dive deep into everything you need to create a seamless, high-converting chat experience. Let's get started. This is SpeedToLead, and as you can see, I'm within this project, and then I'm in this assistant. You can have unlimited assistants per location or project and channels. In this one, to use the live chat widget, you just want to turn this on right here, hit save. And then when you install or embed the chat widget into your website or landing page, it will communicate with this bot. Going to the widget here, you can see this is the default mode right here. We can change the business name. I'll just do SpeedToLead. And just to show you real quickly, the one on the SpeedToLead website, you can see how much it can be altered or customized. You have a CTA with emojis, and you can change the colors, the icon, and then also add some FAQs down here. I'll show you that in just a second. So this widget banner right here is what the text is right here. We'll just say your new appointment setter. The introduction is what is right here. Just put something in there real quickly. And then here, these are common questions. We've added this, so you can add as many as you want, and they go right here. So I'll just add one to show you what that looks like. And hit save. Then you'll see this, and then you can add as many as you want. There'll be a scroll bar if it goes off to the side. And how this works, you can just click it here, and then it will automatically go in there and ask the bot the question, or the AI assistant. And this one is, I think the prompt is a roofer, so you'll see a roofing message come back. Coming through here, here's enable the CTA. The CTA, again, is this right here, so you can put whatever you want. I'll just copy that one. To use an emoji, if you're wanting to do that within the CTA, you'll want to use the decimal codes. You can find those by just searching for this, coming in here, and you'll see all the decimal codes right here. So copy and paste whichever one you want and put that in there. So show you. So just copy that, neutral face, at least with a smiley face, just like that. And so there'll be a smiley face there. Now coming into these options here, there are quite a few options here. So this is where you would upload an icon here. So you can either use an URL. So say you have a URL from your WordPress site, you can put that there, or you can choose a file and upload it, and then you'll have your logo or icon there. Here you can change the color. I'll just go with black. So you can see that's changed to black now, and the icon here will be black as well. And then this is important. This is allowed domains. This is just a safety feature. So when you embed JavaScript like this from any chat widget, you can actually find that within the developer tools. So this is for security purposes. That way, no one can copy it and use your widget on another site. And so here, what you'd want to do is put two things. If you're using it on a subdomain, you'd want to put the subdomain and the main domain. And this is without HTTPS : / so none of that. So say I was putting this on the SpeedToLead website, and say I had it on a domain, say buy.io and then comma. So that's how I would save that. And that way it can only be used on that subdomain in this domain. And then here you can go place the icon on the left or the right. Here is the open widget by default. So this is when someone goes to a page, it takes a second and then it opens and pops up. And so I'll show you what that looks like. This is an example of our outbound self-selling AI. This is where you can upload a contact list and cold email personalized chat widgets. This is the link that comes through. And so you'll see, go to this page, and then if really quickly, boom, it pops up. So that really helps with engagement. Obviously, it draws your eyes there. And that's what that does. And then moving on to the required contact information and initialization. Here you can put contact form, you can put into the header of the form, and also contact form disclaimer at the bottom, because this is for they're inputting their information. So here you can select, the name will already be there, but you can put require email, require the phone. So I'll go to incognito mode here and show you what that looks like. And so here is the form, and here is the header right here, and here is the footer. And here requiring the name and email. Again, you could select the phone and also require the phone number and hit submit before they can interact with the chat widget, so you can capture that lead's contact information. So the last item is the embed code. When you want to install the chat widget on your website or landing page, you just need to copy the embed code, and then from there you would input it or embed it within generally the footer of the WordPress site. With respect to GoHighLevel funnels and websites, generally speaking, you would normally put it right here, the embed code. However, with GoHighLevel, they tend to sometimes block some JavaScript when it's input there. So what you want to do is actually just embed it on the site itself. So just go to Edit, add a code block wherever on the page, doesn't matter. The higher it is, the faster it'll load. Open the code block, embed that there, save. Of course, you need to save here. And also remember, you have to publish to get it live. But so that's all you have to do to get it up and running there on WordPress or any other website, Wix or anything else that we've used. You would embed it where you normally would within those websites. Let us know if you have any questions or suggestions. If you do have suggestions, you can always go to here, go to our public roadmap, and then go to feature request right here, and then add a feature that you want to see. I'll see you in the next video.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame.